Good, man, it's your boy Drew back with another video, and as y'all see by the title, this is a POV in Atlanta traffic. I just want to say this hood came out way better than what I thought, bro. Y'all go watch my last video, y'all see I actually spray painted my hood, and it actually came out pretty good, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie, in person it looked crazy. It looked crazy. But I'm gonna get it around soon anyway. I really just did that for content, but I'm just giving y'all a little view of the whip before we hop in this thing and hit the road. You feel me? This thing clean. It's like every time I see this car, like I just amaze myself. Like, I'm just so amazed at myself. Like, you feel me? But yeah, man, if y'all want to see the full build of this car, like the full process and everything I've done to it, just scroll down to my old videos, man. You'll find them. But we finna hop in. And I don't know why this keep coming out, bro. I gotta take my bumper off and re-clip those clips, but yeah, man, we finna hop. Oh, I thought my splitter was loose, boy. But we finna hop in a boat and take a ride around. First off, you already know we gotta crack that. Now, I do not have a burble tune, bro. So, y'all gotta stay tuned for that, bro. I'm still in the process of getting my car burble tuned, so these POVs can be a lot better than what they are now. You feel me? Because I know y'all like loud bangs and pops and terrorizing the streets, so y'all just gotta stay tuned, bro. Just stay down for the come up. You feel me? So right now, we're just gonna do a POV in this menacing looking Charger. I'm telling y'all, bro, like them pops is gonna set this, like, it's gonna set the whole car up, bro. I feel like any car that just bang and pop is just crazy. Like, let me see, which way should I go? I'm gonna go this way. Well, I guess I can make a right on red, but y'all turn it out to when we landed, ain't no tapping in. The beautiful city of Atlanta. I ain't gonna lie, Atlanta is a beautiful city. Like, I ain't even never really been to no other city for real, but I can't say, bro, Atlanta is a beautiful city. But we got y'all watch my last video. Wait, yeah, my last video, because I'm gonna upload this after my video I'm editing today. But y'all watch my last video, man, y'all know I got a black pair of these pants, bro, and they so, like, these probably my favorite pants. And then we go tie-dye shirt, you feel me? Oh, Trent, he just my boy got all the windows down. Ain't like he got the sunroof up. That boy said he in the city, he did not come to play around. Hey, should I ride? Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna ride through Atlanta Station, bro, and see if I can get some reactions on my car. Cause a lot of people would be thinking, like, I be playing when I say folks, like, I be breaking folks' necks with this car, bro. Like, you feel me? Give me the green light. Oh, what the fuck? I was tripping. Bro, I know y'all just seen hoes finna run the red light. What the hell? What the hell be going on in Atlanta, bro? I swear, Atlanta is not. Look at the marquee left. Y'all see that marquee left? You tripping. That boy need some Brimbos. Oh, almost ran the red light. Tripping. was funny. I ain't gonna lie, bro. When I be turning this camera on doing these driving videos, bro, like it's always something that's happening, bro. That should be hilarious. Oh man. Oh. But this lime green Honda is like right behind me, cuz. Like, back up. Back your fucking car up before I get out and drop kick your ass. So many stoplights, bro. Like, I wish I had like a glitch to where I can make all the lights green when I'm passing it. Like, I just want to make all the lights green. That'd be cool, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It'll probably cause a lot of accidents, though. But if you got the green light, who can say it was your fault? Yeah. Hey, yeah. If y'all hear some squeaking, bro, it's literally just my brakes. I don't know if I need new rotors. I definitely do need new rotors. I don't even know why I said I don't know if I need new rotors. I do need new rotors, so. Y'all hear any squeaking, just know it's my rotors. I took the top off the Maybach. I took the top off that boy, so you got the top off the Beamer. To the top of the Maybach. I to the top of. I just seen a lime blue. I said lime blue. A blue Lamborghini. I knew I wasn't tripping. Cuz, stay in your lane, bro. What is you on? Folks just be so dumb. Like, you don't feel yourself in another lane. Like, you don't feel yourself riding in two lanes, or you don't feel yourself riding that close to another car. Like, what would be wrong with people? Folks be tripping. Bro, you finna run into a red light. Watch you be right beside him. Or right behind him. Ain't nothing but a red light down here. You're not on the highway. You're on the street. Slow down and drive responsibly. You ain't going nowhere fast, bro. You're racing to the next red light. Watch this. Man, what I tell you? Exactly what I said. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, that was not my brakes. That was definitely that Mustang or that BMW. He needs some new brakes for Showski. Oh my God, bro! I know y'all tired of waiting at these lights with me, so I'm just turning on once we hit Atlanta Station. We're gonna see if we can get some of these folk reaction. We finally made it. We finally made it to Atlanta Station. If you're not from Atlanta, and you what the hell is going on with bruh head? He had a blowout fro. But if you've never been to Atlanta, this is Atlanta Station. So I'm gonna just give y'all a tour of Atlanta Station. If you've never been to Atlanta and you want to come to Atlanta, this is Atlanta Station. It's so nice to let me go to flash the lights. Love it. Nice and easy on the brakes. Nice and easy on the gas. It is a Sunday. I often say it ain't packed like how it usually be, but it is indeed a Sunday. Y'all, before I even started YouTube, bro, and I had my last car, I used to come through here and just drive. But now it's like, now that I'm making content, it's like I can get some content out of it, you feel me? And I wasn't doing nothing else, so I was just like, you know what? Upload it. I edited the video today, and I'm gonna work some more. You feel me? Record a video today and drop this one, you feel me? Because it's like, why not? You feel me? Like, that's the mindset and the grind you gotta have nowadays. You feel me? And they gonna walk right by the crosswalk. They ain't gonna use the crosswalk, they gonna walk right beside it. Be wrong, folk, man. Tripping. They think gonna kick me out because I press the gas a little bit. I don't know if y'all know, but when I did that reel, bro, and he, one of the security officers came up to me. He was like, "They want you to leave." Talking about I was burning rubber and all that. But mind you, he said it was a great Challenger. This is a Charger. So he came up to me and said that, bro. I'm like, what? Like, what you talking about, bro? Like, I was burning rubber. Then he talking about, we got you on video. So I was like, let me see the video. And he called his, I guess his higher up. And he was basically just like, what the hell they doing? He was basically just like, it was a Challenger, not a Charger. So, moral of the story is, the security officer didn't know the difference between a Challenger and a Charger. And he told me I had to leave, which ain't made no sense. I had just got there, you feel me? Go, man, your arm ahead there. Folk be tripping, and I'm not stopping for the stop sign no more. He gonna wait for somebody to stop, then walk across slow as hell. Like, bro, what you got going on, bro? What the folk be having going on, bro? Like, what be into these folks? Is it the food y'all eat? Is it the water y'all drink? Like, what be going on, bro? I just want to know. I think it's the food, bro. All the processed foods and stuff. All the processed beans and eating canned beans and beanies and weenies. That'd be the problem, bro. Eating beanies and weenies. Bro, eating beanies and weenies. You can't even cross the damn crosswalk. They ate too much, they ate too much beanies and weenies. If y'all don't know what beanies and weenies is, it's basically sausage and beans in a can. And brother walking across the crosswalk ate too much of it today. That's why he acting like that. Ooh, but I just seen my car in the window, boy. You can't tell me this ain't no monster. You can't tell me this ain't no monster, cuz. Blinkers as always. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. You got the right away, man. Come on. Nobody got time to be waiting all day now. They looking like we just saw him. I think they were talking about the car. They talking about girl. My guy, you see him in that hellcat? Bro, Atlanta Station dead, man. I'm finna end this video. Word 2. Word to my mother. My mother. Ain't these same folks? Bro, these same folks that ain't use the crosswalk and they walking right beside it again, cuz. I wonder what they ate today, cause they tripping. See? Good Samaritans. See? Good Samaritans. Good Samaritans. Now, I ain't got no problem waiting now. You feel me? Cause they doing what they supposed to do. I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. And she got heels on, so she walking slow. I ain't got no problem with that. You feel me? Like, when people do smart stuff and act accordingly, it's just like, it brings other people peace. But when you act like, what am I trying to say? When you act like the sour apple, the sour apple out of the bunch. I be the young, rich is young. I could have sworn I heard that girl say, "You're supposed to stop, look at him," something like that. I don't know, maybe I be hearing stuff. But she don't know I got my windows cracked. She just can't see me. But y'all comment down below if she said something like that, if y'all heard it. I think I heard something similar to that. Pecan head ass. Oh. Hello. That's undercover police. You ain't slick, buddy. I be the young, richest young nigga in Atlanta. See how they got sense, bro? Like, they walking with urgency, got somewhere to be. Good Samaritans right there. Very, very good. Very, very good.